Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today this one is gonna be a quick one because I'm gonna talk about Atossa Therapeutics, ticker symbol ATOS. Yes, I've talked about this company and the stock as well in my previous video. I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to know more about this company. And I think this is a good time to buy because we have seen these $2, $3 range after maybe 3-4 months on this stock. However, the big news is that on Friday alone, Atossa Therapeutics lost about more than 23% of its value, and the reason for this was that there was a news about a stock dilution during the special meeting with their shareholders. Now there will be this virtual meeting with these stockholders held on 7th of September 2021 at 9 a.m. Eastern time, and I will leave the link for this meeting again in the description box below. Excuse my language. Of course, this sucks big time as an investor, and my answer as a shareholder will always be a big fat freaking no. But let's see how things will turn around. See, basically what happens when there is a stock dilution, it means that it is introducing more number of shares in the existing market cap pool, and it will raise more capital which they might use for the development and the research for their company, or maybe marketing as well in some cases. But normally, at least for a brief period, investors, they will shy away from these things and the price of the stock normally goes down. Now, I have faced these such things and I have experienced them in my investing career and in some good stocks like Tesla and Neo itself, where the price did go down for a few days, and once the news gets shaken off, and the stock will make a new all-time high. So not all dilution ends up being very bad, because basically they will use that money to expand their brand, or use in the infrastructure of their company as well. But in this case, Atossa is raising the total number of common shares by 100 million, which is almost double from what it is currently at, around 120.8 million shares. Plus, I thought they already had about a cash of 137 million for the research program on their nasal spray that was for the COVID-19 and the breast cancer. Now the need of this nasal spray is getting fader and fader. The more longer they take, the necessity for this thing will be lesser and lesser, because we have jab 1, jab 2, jab 3, such kind of things. So I see less results at this point coming out from this company. Whatever it is, we'll have to keep a close eye on this stock as an investor. And like I always say, always think before you sink. Goodbye, my friends.